told you! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing the new gun. Animal Cup. Bro, go away. Alright, go record your video in the mirror.
No.
Okay, then back up, leave.
Alright, we're reviewing this
reviewing
thing. Alright, let's go.
Because we have it for some reason.
Yeah, because we're coding moderators and we didn't go into code just like to get it or anything like that. Oh shoot. Where was it going?
It's like a normal gun. It's like a normal gun basically, but like
it's
like better. It shoots like look.
It shoots like really
boom.
far. Look, it can shoot all the way over there. Look, shoot really far. You can see like the where it hits. Wait, can it hit all the way over? Yeah, it hits pretty far. Yo, okay, so who's gonna be test subject? Jacob.
You're gonna be test subject.
No.
Okay. Oh, I know.
Let's go test it on the ogre.
Oh, on the ogre?
Yeah, on the ogre. Because he has more health. He can take 2 shotgun hits. It's pretty massive. Where is he? Oh, okay. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn. Cheating. Okay, so you can survive a full round. That's not good. All right. So you can survive a full round. I mean, I weakened them though.
Come on.
You're pretty low, yeah.
Oh,
hey, what's up, guys? His camera mod just went on to me for some reason.
Bro, why'd you steal my
like,
camera mod, Kane?
It's on me, I can't do nothing, man.
Wait.
It's on me. Oh, never mind.
Wait, I pressed the button twice.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Alright. So it's pretty bad. For like monkeys, you can kill them like almost instantly, you know. The ogre, he has a lot of health. What about Pete? What about Pete the Spider? And I wonder if you know. I think that's the right thing. Alright.
So, yeah. The sound it makes, look when you touch it. Oh shit, nah, that's not what I meant to do. The sparkle effects.
Oh, freaking.
Now you gotta see the shooting belt. Where did I put my phone? There it is.
I have a green one. I want the big one.
Oh. Okay, and they also come in various sizes.
Oh yeah, this is the one I wanted.
I'm gonna take a little one now. I want a little one.
Alright, so yeah.
Bro, I can't freaking put it in my locker.
It's in different colors because people do some stuff with it. They do widgetry. Okay, bye guys.